It was dark night of the 13th of November 1974 when DeFeo Jonior, whose full name was Ronald DeFeo, told the people in the bar situated in Long Island town of Amityville, USA, while drinking that his whole family had been killed by someone. Listening to that incident, listeners accompanied him and went to his home. The three-story building known as DeFeo House was appearing in the dark, very horrible. Windows of the building were circular and were in a pair of fashion. It made the building more horrible. Police arrested Ronald DeFeo. First of all, he repeated the same story that someone had killed his whole family, but at the end of the investigation on the very next day, he admitted that he had killed his whole family. What was motive? Initially police was unable to understand. Was it familicide or some other motive relating to property dispute or love affair revenge?